Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing in personal finance with the genuine hope that I will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, let's go ahead and get started with this article. As you can see, it says Apple shares sell off Friday after sales miss, Microsoft stock gains. And so essentially what this is about is that Microsoft is set to take over Apple Incorporated as the most valuable U.S. company for the first time in nearly 16 months after the smartphone giant reported a rare sales miss in the face of supply constraints. Apple shares APL are off 3.6% in Friday morning trading, which would imply a valuation of $2.4 trillion if the movement carries through the close. Based on the company's most recent share count of 16.406 billion disclosed in the latest 10K, Microsoft shares MSFT are up 0.7% Friday, which would imply a valuation of $2.45 trillion based on the share count of 7.5 billion that the company disclosed in its September quarter filing. Microsoft was last larger than Apple July 2nd of 2020, according to the Dow Jones market data. Microsoft and Apple both face pressures from supply constraints, but Apple appears to be feeling this thing more deeply since the hardware makes up the bulk of its revenue. The company fell short of sales expectations for its fiscal fourth quarter, as it is estimated a $6 billion negative impact from supply issues, and Apple executives forecast a greater impact for the current quarter. That's pretty much the end of the article. But what I would like to say about this is, let's ask ourselves, is this significant? And of course, anytime there's a new most valuable company in the stock market, it is significant. But do I think it's for the long term? I would have to say no, but I think it's also healthy that the top companies in America are competing against each other. It's healthy for the investor. It's healthy for the company. So expect to see Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft all in a race to be the most valuable company in America. And so this is only going to amplify the competition. This is only going to make them work harder to get that edge over the other. And so this is great news for investors. And that's pretty much all I wanted to say today. I just thought I would share this brief news with you guys. With that said, make sure you have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday. God bless.